So you may have also made your own presets for conversion. Let's say, for example, if I were to go around over here, you can see if I were to scroll up, then you can see the tutorial preset that I made. If I want to go ahead and delete it, I cannot do it from here, but you actually need to go ahead and click on it to go to the export settings. Then you can select that particular preset, and besides it, you can see this dustbin icon which says delete preset. Click on it, and then you can go ahead and delete out that preset. But for other presets that you have right here, since it is the default presets, you cannot go ahead and delete it. But if you were to go ahead and make some changes, let's say, for example, there's the custom preset right here. Let's just go ahead and save all of these out and press OK. Then you got this preset right here. So now you can go ahead and delete it. You can see the dustbin is active for it. Click on delete to go ahead and delete out the preset that you have. So that is how you can go ahead and delete out the presets that you have inside of Adobe Media Encoder. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.